In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone number in PayPal. If you want to clean up your account details or remove an old number you no longer use, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account so you can access the account settings right away. Start from your PayPal account homepage. In the top area of the screen, look for the gear icon. This is the settings button, and it's where you manage your personal account information. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open your settings. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section labeled phone numbers. This section contains the phone numbers currently connected to your PayPal account. Select phone numbers to open that part of your profile. This is the place where you can review and manage the numbers linked to the account. After that, find the phone number you want to remove. Next to that number, you should see a three-dot menu. Click on the three dotted line or the three-dot icon to open more options for that phone number. This menu usually contains actions you can take for that specific contact detail. From the menu that appears, click Remove. This tells PayPal that you want to delete that phone number from your account profile. Be sure you're selecting the correct number before moving forward, especially if you have more than one number listed. PayPal will then show a confirmation screen or confirmation prompt. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental changes to your account. To complete the process, click Remove again to confirm. Once you do that, the selected phone number will be removed from your PayPal account. If the number doesn't disappear immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or reload the page to verify the update. Also, keep in mind that some PayPal accounts may require at least one phone number to remain on file for security or account recovery purposes. If that happens, you may need to add a different number before removing the current one. And that's it. That's how to remove a phone number in PayPal. If you're following these steps on a slightly different layout, the wording may vary a little, but the overall process should be very similar.